Bought this Haus electric rotary hammer drill with vibration control from Amazon, and looks like it's a pretty good unit for the money. It's pretty beefy, heavy. I got the chuck down here, got the grease for the gears. Here we got the chuck key, chisel, and another chisel here, and then also a few drill bits that it came with, as well as the wrench here for the grease cap. So I bought it to remove some thin set from some tile, so we'll see how it works. And the case also seems to be pretty sturdy. Can't complain for the price. Again, see how it works once try it out. The owner's manual that came with the drill, I wasn't expecting much, but in actuality it actually is pretty good. It gives the general instructions, of course, the usual information on the front for safety, so on and so forth, the included items that came with the drill, how to position the handle, and then it gave pretty good illustrations, of course, the filling it with grease at the top, and but good illustrations, I felt, as far as how to put the bits in. And there's a dust cap that also comes with it that fits on the front here, but putting the chuck in, the positions, because there's two different dials on the drill, but the position of the dials where they need to be for whatever function it is that you're using. So all in all, pretty good explanation on each. I purchased a longer bit here separately for thin set removal, and I'm gonna give it a try to move some tile in our bathroom. But overall, it looks like a decent tool if it works okay. Also, I didn't point out here, it's got a depth gauge too that can be hooked up, and the same place where the SDS bit hooks up here in the chuck here, you can also insert the drill chuck goes in here as a separate fitting. So I got some tile here in my bathroom. I'm gonna give it a shot on and see how it works for removing the tile and the thin set underneath. Well, as you can see, I lucked out on this. The thin set is actually stuck to the back of the tile instead of the floor, so it's made it quite easy. But the hammer function on this for the chisel has worked great, so couldn't be more pleased with it. So sorry for the quality of the video. I'm trying to do this by myself, which makes positioning the phone a little difficult. So that's my opinion. Good luck.